Well, hello there, trivia titans and knowledge nuts. It's your primate pal, Monkey, back again. I sip bourbon and I know things, especially when it comes to those mind-boggling feats of athleticism we call the Olympics. So, grab your thinking caps, and maybe a tasty beverage of your own. Because we're about to dive headfirst into the world of brainy bits and trivia tips, where the drinks flow and knowledge grows. Today, we're talking about Olympic legends, those remarkable individuals who've etched their names in the annals of sports history. From record-breaking swimmers to gravity-defying gymnasts, we'll unravel the captivating tales behind their triumphs and explore the impact they've had on their respective sports. So, get ready to be amazed, because we're about to unveil some truly awe-inspiring stories of dedication, perseverance, and sheer talent. First up, we're diving into the pool with a true icon, the most decorated Olympian of all time, Michael Phelps. This guy's medal count? A jaw-dropping 28. That's more medals than some countries have won in their entire Olympic history. Phelps's dominance in the water is legendary. In the 2008 Beijing Olympics, he snagged 8 gold medals, making history. But Phelps's impact goes beyond the medals. He's inspired countless aspiring swimmers worldwide. His signature stroke, the butterfly, is now the stuff of dreams. His journey wasn't without its challenges. Phelps has been open about his struggles with ADHD. He faced those challenges head-on, advocating for mental health awareness. From his intense training to his focus during competitions, Phelps redefined what it means to be an Olympic champion. He's a testament to human potential and a reminder that dreams can be achieved. Remember the name Michael Phelps, the man who redefined swimming and inspired a generation. Now let's swing over to the world of gymnastics, where we meet a true legend, Nikolai Andrianov, the male gymnast with the most Olympic medals ever. This Soviet superstar racked up 15 medals, proving his mastery over every apparatus. Andrianov's career spanned 3 Olympics, and he left audiences in awe with his strength, flexibility, and artistry. Known for his daring routines, he pushed the boundaries of the sport. At the 1976 Montreal Olympics, he clinched 4 gold, 2 silver, and 1 bronze medal. Andrianov made it look effortless, moving with the grace of a dancer and the power of an athlete. His signature move, the Andrianov cross, is a testament to his exceptional strength and control. Andrianov's contributions to gymnastics extended beyond his own performances. He inspired generations of young gymnasts to reach for greatness. Remember the name Nikolai Andrianov, the man who redefined excellence in gymnastics and left an indelible mark on the world of gymnastics. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to meet the queen of consistency, Larisa Latynina. For an incredible 16 years, this Soviet gymnast reigned supreme, holding the record for the most Olympic medals won by any athlete, male or female, with a mind-blowing 18 medals to her name. Latynina's grace, elegance, and technical prowess captivated audiences worldwide. She was a true all-rounder, excelling in all aspects of gymnastics, from the uneven bars to the floor exercise. Her Olympic debut came at the 1956 Melbourne Games, where she announced her arrival on the world stage with 4 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze medal. Talk about making a statement. But Latynina wasn't done yet. She went on to compete in 2 more Olympics, adding to her medal tally and solidifying her status as a legend. Her record of 18 medals stood for an astounding 48 years, a testament to her unparalleled dominance in the sport. What's even more remarkable is that Latynina achieved all of this while overcoming personal challenges. She competed in the 1958 World Championships while 4 months pregnant, proving that motherhood and athletic excellence are not mutually exclusive. Larisa Latynina's legacy extends far beyond her medal count. She paved the way for generations of female athletes, proving that with dedication, talent, and unwavering determination, anything is possible. Get ready to be amazed, because we're about to meet the father of modern gymnastics, Sawao Kato. This Japanese sensation revolutionized the sport with his innovative techniques and quest for perfection. Kato's pursuit of the elusive perfect 10 score captivated the world. He came agonizingly close at the 1968 Mexico City Olympics, scoring a 9.9 on the horizontal bar, a score that seemed impossible to achieve at the time. But Kato's impact went beyond chasing scores. He redefined the artistry and technicality of gymnastics. His signature move, the Kato Circle, is a testament to his incredible skill and creativity on the pommel horse, a move that still leaves audiences in awe today. With 12 Olympic medals, including 8 golds, Kato's record speaks for itself. He dominated the sport for nearly a decade, inspiring a generation of Japanese gymnasts who followed in his footsteps. Kato's dedication to his craft was legendary. He was known for his rigorous training regimen and unwavering focus, always striving for perfection in every movement. His legacy extends beyond his medal count as he transformed gymnastics into the dynamic and breathtaking sport it is today. So, the next time you see a gymnast execute a flawless routine, remember the name Sawao Kato, the man who redefined excellence and inspired a generation to reach for the perfect 10. Hold on tight because we're paddling into the world of canoeing with the legendary Birgit Fischer. This German powerhouse dominated the sport for over 2 decades, racking up an incredible 8 gold medals and 4 silvers across an astounding 6 Olympic Games. Fischer's career was nothing short of remarkable. She made her Olympic debut at the tender age of 18 at the 1980 Moscow Games, where she paddled her way to gold. Little did the world know that this was just the beginning of a long and illustrious career. What's even more impressive is that Fischer's Olympic journey spanned over 2 decades, with triumphs in both the East German and unified German teams. Talk about resilience and adaptability. She even took a break to start a family, proving that motherhood couldn't slow down this paddling powerhouse. Fischer's dominance wasn't limited to a single event, either. She excelled in both the K1, single kayak, and K2, double kayak disciplines, showcasing her versatility and unwavering determination. Her secret? A combination of raw talent, relentless training, and an unwavering love for the sport. Fischer's legacy continues to inspire generations of canoeists, proving that age is just a number when you have the passion and dedication to succeed. So the next time you see a kayak slicing through the water, remember the name Birgit Fischer, the queen of the kayak, who proved that with grit, determination, and a whole lot of paddling power, anything is possible. Meet the legendary flying Finn Paavo Nurmi. This Finnish runner set 22 world records and won 9 Olympic golds in the 1920s. Nurmi's dominance in long-distance running was unparalleled. He had superhuman endurance and an innovative training approach. He used a stopwatch to maintain a consistent pace. At the 1924 Paris Olympics, he won 5 gold medals. His stamina and determination were legendary. Nurmi's running style was unique. He ran with an upright posture, earning the nickname Phantom Finn. Known for his intense focus and determination, his legacy extends beyond medals and records. Nurmi inspired generations of athletes and established Finland as a long-distance running powerhouse. Remember Paavo Nurmi, the flying Finn who redefined human endurance. Dive back into the pool with us as we meet Matt Biondi, the American swimming sensation who ruled the pool in the 1980s. With 11 Olympic medals, 8 of them gold, Biondi's powerful strokes and competitive spirit made him a force to be reckoned with. Biondi burst onto the Olympic scene at the 1984 Los Angeles Games, where he announced his arrival with a gold in the Force-Art 100-meter freestyle relay. But it was at the 1988 Seoul Olympics that he truly cemented his place in swimming history. In Seoul, Biondi achieved a feat only ever matched by the great Mark Spitz, winning 7 medals in a single Olympic Games, 5 of them gold. His dominance in freestyle and butterfly events was undeniable, and his performances left spectators in awe. But Biondi's journey wasn't without its challenges. He faced immense pressure to live up to expectations and battled nerves on the world stage. Yet, he always found a way to rise to the occasion, displaying remarkable resilience and determination. One of his most memorable races was the 100-meter freestyle final in Seoul. Biondi was the heavy favorite but faced stiff competition. In a thrilling finish, he touched the wall just 0.01 seconds ahead of his rival, securing the gold medal by the narrowest of margins. Matt Biondi's legacy extends beyond his medal haul. He inspired a generation of American swimmers and proved that with hard work, natural talent, and an unwavering belief in oneself, anything is possible. En garde, we're stepping onto the piste, the fencing strip, to meet Edoardo Mangiarotti, the Italian maestro who turned swordplay into an art form. With 13 Olympic medals, Edoardo Mangiarotti's skill and sportsmanship are unmatched. Competing from 1936 to 1960, he mastered épée, foil, and saber. His 3 golds in 1952 cemented his legend. Beyond medals, his dedication to fair play and respect for opponents defined him. As a coach and mentor, his legacy inspires fencers to pursue excellence with honor and love for the sport. Remember Mangiarotti, the maestro who made fencing an art form. Hold on to your handstands, because we're back in the gymnastics arena with Boris Shaklin, the Soviet virtuoso who redefined versatility. With an incredible 13 Olympic medals, 7 of them gold, Shaklin's mastery over all 6 men's gymnastics apparatus was truly awe-inspiring. His Olympic reign began in 1956 and continued through 3 memorable games. He was known for his exceptional strength, agility, and remarkable composure under pressure. His routines were a blend of power and grace, combining difficult elements with balletic elegance. One of his most iconic performances came at the 1960 Rome Olympics, where he clinched the coveted all-around gold medal, cementing his status as the best gymnast in the world. Shaklin's consistency across all 6 apparatus was remarkable, proving his mastery over every aspect of the sport. He was also a pioneer of new and innovative moves, constantly pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible in gymnastics. His signature move, the Shaklin or reverse hecht vault, involved a backward flip off the vaulting horse, a testament to his courage and innovation. Despite his success, Shaklin remained humble and dedicated to his craft. He believed that gymnastics was a constant pursuit of perfection, and he inspired generations of gymnasts with his work ethic and artistry. So, the next time you watch a gymnast execute a complex routine with grace and precision, remember the name Boris Shaklin, the versatile virtuoso who redefined what was possible in the sport and inspired generations to reach for greatness. Get ready to be inspired by the godfather of Japanese gymnastics, Takashi Ono. Takashi Ono paved the way for Japan's dominance in gymnastics, inspiring generations with his dedication and artistry. His Olympic journey began in 1952, spanning 5 games, showcasing his passion and longevity. Ono's innovative routines and enthusiasm captured hearts worldwide. At the 1956 Melbourne Games, he won Japan's first gymnastics gold on the horizontal bar. This victory inspired a new generation of athletes to strive for excellence. Beyond his achievements, Ono became a respected coach and mentor. His legacy lives on through the countless gymnasts he inspired. Remember Takashi Ono, the pioneer who inspired generations to reach for Olympic glory. Well, folks, there you have it. A glimpse into the lives and legacies of some of the most extraordinary Olympic legends of all time. From record-breaking feats to inspiring stories of perseverance, these athletes have left an undeniable mark on the world of sports and beyond. If you found yourself on the edge of your seat, craving more mind-blowing trivia and fascinating stories, then do Monkey a favor and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Brainy Bits and Trivia Tips. Until next time, keep those brains buzzing, keep chasing those trivia victories, and remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a marathon, not a sprint. Cheers to learning, winning, and coming back for another round of trivia with yours truly, Monkey.